In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WhatsApp Meta AI in just 5 minutes. So let's dive in and unlock the potential of this amazing feature for an enhanced messaging experience. First things first, if you're using a Windows PC, you'll want to ensure that your WhatsApp desktop is updated to the latest version. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry, you can easily find it on the Microsoft Store. Keeping your app updated is essential because updates often include new features, security enhancements, and of course, compatibility improvements to support new integrations like Meta AI. Once your desktop version is prepared, let's turn our focus to your phone. Open your WhatsApp app and start a chat using the Meta AI feature. This step is crucial because activating the feature on your mobile ensures that all data syncs correctly across devices. This synchronization is what enables you to continue your chat seamlessly when you switch to your desktop or web version of WhatsApp. Now, let's move back to your PC. If you're using WhatsApp Desktop or even WhatsApp Web, you need to link your phone to your computer. This is done through a QR code. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the Linked Devices section, and scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. It's a simple process, and it helps in mirroring your conversations on your desktop, allowing convenience and ease whether you're at your desk at work or at home. With your device connected to WhatsApp Desktop, look to the left sidebar of the app. Here, you should notice various icons, and among them will be the Meta AI icon or button. By clicking this, you can start your chat with the AI. The integration of Meta AI into WhatsApp is designed to provide more dynamic interactions, making use of Meta's advanced AI capabilities to assist with information, suggestions, or just to make your chatting experience more engaging and interactive. If you don't see the Meta AI icon immediately, don't worry. The feature might not yet be available in your region or on your account. Features like these often roll out incrementally, so sometimes patience is required. You might want to check back periodically or even reach out to WhatsApp support to get more information on availability. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be chatting away with the Meta AI on WhatsApp in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Until next time.